Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use PROCREATE to design some fire pieces for your clothing brand. I got 5 minutes starting now, so let's get straight into it. I'm assuming if you're watching this video, you already downloaded PROCREATE. I think it's about $11 to $12. I'd rather pay $12 and learn how to design than keep on paying people $60, $100, especially if you're on a tight budget.
Whoever just gifted a sub is helping me eat, nigga.
So you have your regular menu. Let's just do the regular screen size. You do things like this to pinch. So you see 9 different things. Gallery takes you to the whole menu. Actions, this is where you can download your image, see a time lapse of everything that you've done for the whole project. Add photos, add documents, add text. You have your brush library. You tap on that, you get to see all different kinds of brushes. This is a smudge tool. Let me show you. You use a brush, use a different color, and now you can start blending. And this is how people get shading. You can even add the white background to it, make it lighter. If you know your colors, you can fuck around with this and really go crazy. On the left side, you have your size and opacity. Opacity is like how transparent it is. This is 100% opacity. This is like around 40 something, you see? When you think of layers on PROCREATE, think of everything just stacked on top of each other. If you're designing something, you can create a new layer, choose a different color, draw over it, so now it's stacked on top. The one on top is obviously the one which you'll see first, and watch what happens when you drag it down. Now flipped because this one is on top now. That's how layers work, and once you start creating designs with it, you can really start doing some crazy shit, you know? Now that you're up to speed on how to use this, I'm gonna teach you how to create designs for your clothing brands. I normally get my inspiration from Pinterest, and based off of your brand meaning, that's what I like to base designs off of. Alright, so I know this is random, but the brand Fear of God. For some reason, the name Fear of God just came to my head, and based off of that title or brand name alone, I'm gonna create a design based off of it. So I'm gonna be searching through Pinterest until I find something that I like. Alright, so boom, I kind of like this. PROCREATE, insert a photo, and one thing I like about PROCREATE, you click on this button, you go to automatic, you click on the area that you don't want, take 3 fingers, swipe down, click cut. Majority of the time you'll have the outline taken out. For the rest, you can just erase. And now you got this image. Look for other inspirations. When you think of Fear of God, what do you think? In the same way I'm asking this question, you can ask yourself this question for your clothing brand to start designing better pieces. One thing I like to do, I like to get inspiration from tattoo. Matter of fact, I like this one. Save to photos. We back at PROCREATE. So tap on it. 3 fingers, cut. Now erase this one. I want to make this bigger. Now this is where layers come in. Put it behind. Whew.
Oh my god!
Let's rotate it a little. Alright, let's erase this. This is completely random, but it's going based off of Fear of God. Let me add some text. Fear. Yeah, freeform, uniform, distort, and warp. Not really feeling this sunbeam over here. I came up with a vision. I thought of my brand and my brand meaning, which was Fear of God for the time being. I looked for different inspiration on Pinterest of what could portray my brand meaning. Fear of God, I don't know. Something about this image just gives me that kind of aesthetic. Some people may not see it, but this is just a prime example of how you can use PROCREATE to start creating things for your clothes. And let me just show you how it looks. We got a t-shirt. Let's make it white. Alright. You want to be a little fancy? And yeah.
Yes, sir!
And that's how you design on PROCREATE. Let me know if y'all want a part 2. And if you're interested in starting a clothing brand, I have a video that you can watch after this.
When I walk in,
Da Vinci all over her stockings. You can find me wherever the guap is. And this money make everyone toxic. And this money make every bitch rock. All this guap like can't shop at her top. And this Glock on my side on our box.